Building a career in a Security Operations Center (SOC) as a fresher requires a combination of education, skills development, practical experience, and networking. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Educational background. Obtain a relevant degree. While not always mandatory, having a degree in cybersecurity, computer science, information technology, or a related field can enhance your credentials. Gain certifications. Pursue industry-recognized certifications such as CompTIA Security Plus, Certified Information Systems Security Professional, CISSP, Certified Ethical Hacker, CHE, or Certified Information Security Manager, CISM, to demonstrate your knowledge and commitment to cybersecurity. Develop core technical skills. Networking skills. Understand TCP, IP, firewalls, routers, and switches. Knowledge of network protocols is crucial in a SOC. Operating systems knowledge. Gain proficiency in operating systems, especially Windows and Linux. Security technologies. Familiarize yourself with intrusion detection and prevention systems, IDS, IPS, security information and event management, SIEM, tools, antivirus solutions, and endpoint protection. Learn programming and scripting. Develop scripting skills in languages such as Python, PowerShell, or Bash. Automation is increasingly important in security operations. Understand cybersecurity frameworks. Familiarize yourself with common cybersecurity frameworks such as NIST Cybersecurity Framework and IEC 27001. Understanding these frameworks can help in implementing security controls effectively. Hands-on experience. Set up a home lab. Create a personal lab environment to practice and experiment with different cybersecurity tools and techniques. Participate in Capture the Flag, CTF, challenges. Engage in online CTF challenges to enhance your practical skills and problem-solving abilities. Build a strong foundation in incident response. Learn about incident response methodologies and frameworks. Practice handling and responding to security incidents in a simulated environment. Stay informed. Follow industry news and trends to stay abreast of the latest threats and technologies. Attend webinars, conferences, and local meetups to network with professionals in the field. Create a professional online presence. Build a LinkedIn profile highlighting your skills, certifications, and projects. Contribute to online communities and forums related to cybersecurity. Apply for internships and entry-level positions. Look for internships or entry-level positions in SOC-related areas. Showcase your skills, willingness to learn, and passion for cybersecurity during interviews. Networking and professional development. Attend industry conferences, workshops, and networking events to meet professionals in the field. Join professional organizations such as ISACA, ISC2, or local cybersecurity groups. Adaptability and continuous learning. The field of cybersecurity is dynamic. Demonstrate your ability to adapt to new technologies and learn continuously. Seek mentorship. Connect with experienced professionals who can provide guidance and advice on building a successful career in a SOC. Apply for certifications relevant to SOC roles. As you gain experience, consider pursuing more specialized certifications such as Certified Incident Handler, GCIH, or Certified SOC Analyst, ISSE. Highlight soft skills. Develop strong communication skills, as effective communication is crucial in a SOC environment. Showcase your analytical and problem-solving abilities. Explore specializations. SOC roles can vary, including analysts, incident responders, threat hunters, and managers. Identify your interests and explore specialized areas within the SOC environment. Remember that building a career in a SOC is a journey, and persistence and continuous learning are key. Be proactive, seek opportunities for growth, and stay committed to refining your skills in the ever-evolving field of cybersecurity.